It's on now. We are at the skate park. Oh my God. Whoa! Oh, I so hope I got that.
I thought that was leaving the park.
I really hope I got that. That was awesome. And Michael. Hey, Rai, can you say howdy? You say howdy?
Look at Auntie Mandy.
Howdy, Rai. Cars?
Say howdy.
Cars. Howdy. Say Rai. Alright, we're gonna go over here and videotape. Michael, do a cool jump or something that I can actually tape. I hope I got Adam's vehicle. Oh! Are you having fun?
This is insane.
Like, good fun?
This is...
I didn't think this would work this
Yeah, I didn't think it would be this much fun. Alright, Adam, show me what you got!
Whoa.
Okay, show me what you got going that way! I can barely see the screen.
Do it over there again.
Yeah, go! See what Adam's got. And once again, I can't see the screen, so I am hoping that I am capturing all this.
Oh!
Alright, Michael, your turn. Let's see what you got. It just rolled down there. Oh, so cool. Seriously.
Oh God.
Holy crap!
Did it go over the fence?
Yeah.
There's people walking right there.
It went over the fence.
Wow.
Oh, I really hope I got that.
Ready?
We have to make some kind of shade for this.
Cool.
Yeah. Oh, Michael, tell me when you're going to do stuff.
Oh my God.
Whoa!
Oh, you're on your wheels.
Here, baby, why don't you see that jump right there?
Oh no.
Okay.
That's... I don't know.
Well, just so you know, like, filming is sporadic. You guys want me to tape something, you have to tell me, because I can't see.
I'm really afraid of going on a roof down here. I don't know. Holy crap.
See? I have no idea if I got
Okay,
that.
I'm gonna be right here. I'm gonna come up out of this.
Over here, Rai. Watch Uncle Michael.
Gotta watch walking backwards.
Ready? Watch it.
Oh, I get it for you. I help you, Uncle Michael.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
Woo!
Oh, that was a motor landing.
Here, Mom, you try videotaping.
Okay, watch Rai. I don't want him to
Yeah, I'll watch Rai.
go down. Is it recording?
It's recording. I mean, if you put your hand
Oh, nice.
Totally got that!
Going on his back
You put
there.
your hand over the top, it kind of shades it
Okay.
a little. That was phenomenal. That was so cool.
Did you guys get me going over the fence?
I think it's another one of those
It's hard to tell.
you hardly see what you're filming. I had it that direction. I did get you.
No, stay there, Rai.
To you. Whoa!
Nice.
Mama.
Hi.
Howdy, Mama.
Howdy.
Can you blow her kisses?
Have a kiss. Little kisses.
Oh. Whoa, look at that. Michael, what a great idea.
Nice landing.
I had no idea this would be this
I
much
know.
fun. I hope they're not upset.
No, I told them we wouldn't be here long.
Sorry we invaded your park. Here we go. Oh, that was sideways. Hey, you guys, do a jump together. You wanna go get down? Okay, I watch you. And you know where to stop it? It's right there if you wanna stop it.
No, Rylan!
No running, Rai.
Yeah, there's like a bunch of empty swimming pools. Adam, bring it into here. Bring it into this and bring it up out of here. Yeah.
Wait, are they coming up this side? I don't want to be in a danger zone. Where are you guys?
We're gonna come right here.
Okay, so we're push me?
Yeah. I don't know how you would get out of that.
Scusi.
Nyang.
It's gonna scratch you up.
How do we get down there? We're gonna have to go down there.
How are you gonna get back up?
Yeah, definitely get this on film.
You want to race them from down here? No.
Well, yeah, while you're down there, you can get them all lined up. Hang on, wait, watch. Nice.
Nice distance.
Ready? Adam, you don't need much speed.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna come over here, I guess.
Okay, watch her. Right side, go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go, right.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, you want me to drive?
It is.
Come on.
It is really hard to see.
It is. So if you want to pause it. Do you care if we quit filming right now?
If you've gotten some cool jumps, go ahead.
Oh,
Well, I want to get a little bit more.
Time.
I'm just thinking maybe if
Can
I...
you wave to mommy? Say hi.
Hi.
Can you blow her kisses?
Mwah.
And where's your mouth? Show mama, where's your mouth? Love it when he does this. Hang on. Show mommy. Where's your mouth, Rai? Show
Rai.
mama.
Mouth. Nose.
Where's your nose? And your hair? Where's your monkey feet? They're right here.
Ah!
Alright. He's down, but I'm watching. Yeah, as soon as you want to be done, mommy, you can. However much time is out here.
Ow!
It's been non-stop.
Run!
Cold.
Let's go play over there. I'm gonna put the camera away so we can practice. Or
Hold hands,
is it still
Rai.
on?
Yeah.
Okay. Rai, can you tell the camera? Say bye. Bye, camera.
Bye.
Bye.